Have you ever felt nervous when speaking English at a hotel? You understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, you hesitate. You start translating, and suddenly you lose confidence. You are not alone. Many learners face this problem. But here is the truth. You don't need perfect English. You need simple, natural, and confident sentences. And today, you are going to practice exactly that. Real-life English for booking a hotel room. Step by step with me. So please, stay focused, listen carefully, and speak along with me. Now relax. No pressure. Just practice. Let's begin. You enter a hotel. You walk to the reception. You smile. Now speak. Hello. Repeat with me. Hello. Good morning. Say it clearly. Good morning. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. Now continue. I would like to book a room. Say it slowly. I would like to book a room. Again. I would like to book a room. Now, shorter version. I want to book a room. Repeat. I want to book a room. Very good. Now they may ask you, for how many days? Listen carefully. For how many days will you stay? Repeat. For how many days will you stay? Now answer. I will stay for 2 days. Say it clearly. I will stay for 2 days. Try another. I will stay for 3 nights. Repeat. I will stay for 3 nights. Good. Now, next question. Do you have a reservation? Repeat. Do you have a reservation? Now answer. Yes, I have a reservation. Repeat. Yes, I have a reservation. Or, no, I don't have a reservation. Say it slowly. No, I don't have a reservation. Excellent. Now you ask about room type. I need a single room. Repeat. I need a single room. I need a double room. Say it clearly. I need a double room. Now ask politely. Do you have any rooms available? Repeat. Do you have any rooms available? Very good. Now, price. How much is the room? Repeat. How much is the room? Say it again. How much per night? Repeat. How much per night? Good.
Now, facilities. Does the room have Wi-Fi? Repeat. Does the room have Wi-Fi? Is breakfast included? Say it clearly. Is breakfast included? Do you have air conditioning? Repeat. Do you have air conditioning? Great. Now, confirmation. That sounds good. Repeat. That sounds good. I will take this room. Say it clearly. I will take this room. Now, payment. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Or, can I pay in cash? Repeat. Can I pay in cash? Excellent. Now, check-in. What time is check-in? Repeat. What time is check-in? And check-out? What time is check-out? Very good. Now, full conversation. Listen and repeat. Hello, good evening. I would like to book a room. Do you have any rooms available? Yes, for how many days? I will stay for 2 nights. Do you have a reservation? No, I don't have a reservation.
We have a single room available. How much per night? It is $50 per night. Does it include breakfast? Yes, breakfast is included. That sounds good. I will take this room. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. What time is checkout? Checkout is at 11 a.m. Now try it on your own.
Very good. You did an amazing job. Now you can speak confidently in a real hotel situation. Remember, keep your sentences simple. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not translate, just speak. Practice this again tomorrow and you will feel more confident. If this session helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to RFQ English Lab. Keep practicing, stay consistent. I will see you in the next session.